Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 26, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 8th row, 10th row, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column B, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row and fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, column J, we have 9. Third row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, column I, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I and fifth grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column F, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 9. Fourth row, we have 3, 9, 6. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Seventh grade, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then seventh grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Seventh row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C and fifth grade. Column I, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. Column F, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 10th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row and 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column J, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. Column G, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column I, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 5th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. We can confirm 1 also here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 5th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column I, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.